Hi, this is Kim from ScienceScope, and today we're going to be working with LEDs, or light-emitting diodes. And a while back we used to use incandescent bulbs, but now we have LEDs. And LEDs we're going to power up with a watch battery, and we're going to see how the electrons in these LEDs fall to different energy levels, and as a result, light will be emitted. The frequency of light will change depending on that fall, and then different colors will be produced. And then we can turn them into a throwie afterwards. First step is you take your watch battery, you take your LED, and you just insert it. If it doesn't turn on right away, you've got it backwards just because of the polarity, so it's a simple flip, and there you go. So you can test different LEDs, and you'll get different colors depending on how far those electrons drop. And now you have blue. And you can do this all day long with different colors and see the result. That's fun in itself, but what's even more fun is turning these into a throwie. So the first step is you take one of your LEDs and you insert your watch battery, make sure the polarity is correct, and you light it up. Then you take a little bit of electrical tape and you just tape it, like so. Then, to turn it into a throwie, you take a neodymium magnet. To not pinch your fingers or to try to avoid your fingers getting pinched, you slide them. So if you slide these neodymium magnets, that will work best. Additionally, you want to keep these away from all your electronics, your cell phones, your computers, or anything like that. From about 6 inches away or 15 centimeters, they can wipe out that. So I'm sliding it across. Second step is you put your magnet on and use a little bit more electrical tape. And you secure that as well. And then you've got your throwie. So a metal object like so, and and it will stick. So what's fun with these is you can assemble a bunch of them, and they don't take long. And then you can have really a lot of fun with them because of those magnets that are attached, as you saw earlier. And then just take something like a garbage can lid or anything metal, of course, and then just have at it. And there you go, throwies.